Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we will be making paneer bread pakora. This is a very common Indian street food snack item and it can be deep fried or pan fried. These are the simple ingredients needed for the filling. Take 4 slices of fresh bread, clean the sides and cut them in 4 triangles. Take 4 boiled and peeled potatoes, 1 tablespoon of boiled sweet corn, 2 green chilies and 50 grams of paneer. Take half tablespoon of ghee and fry both sides of the bread slices lightly. They should look like this. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of white oil and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. As they splatter, add a pinch of hing, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir for a few seconds and then add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now mash the potatoes and then add it in the masala mixture. Mix it very nicely with the masala and add the chopped green chilies. Give it a good stir and then add the boiled sweet corns. Add some salt as per your taste if needed. 83% of our viewers are not subscribed. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more exciting recipes in the future. The filling is ready. Take 1 piece of bread and put the filling like this and a slice of paneer to cover it with another piece of bread, just like a sandwich. Repeat the process for all other bread slices. Now let's make the batter with these simple ingredients. Take the besan in a big bowl. Add Kashmiri chili powder. Add a little salt and amchur powder or chaat masala. Start making the batter by adding water in batches. Mix it and make a medium thick batter. Pour oil in a pan for frying and let it heat. Now take the sandwiches, dip them in the batter, coat them evenly from all sides and directly put them in the frying pan. Repeat this process for all the bread pakoras. Fry them until they get a beautiful golden brown color and enjoy with tea or coffee. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.